Hello friends, it's time to 6:30. ठीक है, we are just right now in a bank river of Gomati. ठीक है, can you believe that we are in Jaunpur city? The bank of river highly renovated as far as tourism sector concerned. The huge crowd are there. The very good crowd at the evening. You can the very peaceful moment here, the fresh water and the highly entertaining area. We are all of our family members get together to take enjoyment at the evening. You can see just back side of me, the steamer are going on the river. They're taking enjoyment. So this is a very fantastic moment for us. You can also take enjoyment. Come in a Jaunpur city, in a bank river of Gomati. So thank you. This is my blog. Please share and subscribe and like my video.